Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna take a couple of trades. This is my first trade. I go with the buyers because I'm not expecting a very huge retracement for this pattern. Oh my god, it's giving me the retracement. Alright, it's rejecting, but you know, I was expecting this sort of retracement exactly as a shadow, but yeah, it's trying so hard. Since it's coming from strong area, I'm expecting a upside like movement for the price, but let's see if this is gonna be a winning trade. After this, I can still go with the buyers. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god. Oh yes, we win the trade 2-1. No, I will not go with the buyers anymore because there's a potential to just drop and come down again because we didn't break the previous candle. That's why I don't go with the sellers. There's a supply area. There's a very nice supply area I can count on for my next trade if it reaches to that area. But for now, I don't see any opportunity here, so I will move on to the next pair. That's simple. When you don't see a opportunity on a particular pair, you just can change the pair. That's very simple. Let's see if we're gonna have, let's see. Okay. Yeah, so I will mark this area as a supply area because this is ABC, and you know that this area, when we have ABC, it's a very nice supply area. If you can combine it with other reasons, you can take a trade on them. But for now, the price is basically struggling, and yep, we have a very nice uptrend. And now I want to see. You see that it has been rejected from this area, which is a demand area, one time. And now if you're coming and closing down here, or even on this round number, it's a very nice opportunity to take. But it's not doing it yet, so I will just keep looking for opportunities. Okay, I go for a 2-minute trade. Basically, I'm trading on the next, I am counting on the next candle. As you can see, it's 2-minute trade. And my trade exactly on this round number, which is lined up with this seller's entry, and again, rejection. Basically, this area in general is seller's entry. Then we have this ABC to the downside. You see these ABCs, and then we're coming up very straight, like we're coming up straightly. We haven't created a trend or something like that. So that way, it gives me the confidence to take the trade. Okay. And if you look, this is a price channel. The price is trying to touch the upper side of this price channel. But if you look at the past, in order to touch the upper side, we always had the opposite candle, except this one. So basically it can be a retracement for us like this, and then try to go up and touch the upper band. All right. So the priorities here is just going up and touching the upper band, but I could take advantage of this, and I did. Okay. So now we can just keep pushing high, and there's high chance to just keep going up. My internet connection is stopped again. Yeah, so there's high chance to just price going up. Let me just fix this. All right, fix the problem. As you can see, the price is trying to go up. So can I go with the buyers here? Yes, I can, but I don't know. I cannot trust this because it's possible to have a base here for a while and then break to the upside, or even break to the downside. So I cannot trust this to go with the buyers. So if I want to take my trade, I would wait for this candle to close, and then with marginal safety I can take my buy trade, even though I'm pretty sure that it should go up and touch this area sooner or later. So let's just check for other opportunities here. Okay, we have a very nice area. First touch, second touch, and this is the third touch that it's trying to break this. It's associated with this round number, but the only thing that scares me to take this trade is that we haven't created a high, and it has been pretty much a long time the price has been coming up, so it might change the direction. So that's why I'll go with 25 here, because I'm not sure. When I'm not sure, I will go with lower risk. We have this crazy gap down. I hope this is a very strong area that we have jumped on. Yeah, otherwise the next buyer's entry would be down here, this area, this double bottom here. It can reverse the price one more time. Okay, we don't, yeah, I was talking about the higher high. You see that we haven't created a higher high, and the price is basically like being compressed to the downside and break this area. It's still possible to win this trade, but we don't have a higher high. Okay, so if we had this higher high, for example, here coming up and creating this higher high, I would take this trade with $100 instead of 25. All right, so that's what dynamic money management is. When you are not sure about the trade, or the trade has not that higher probability that normal, you should decrease your amount. That's the only time that you decrease your amount. You never increase your amount for higher probability trades. You only decrease them for lower probability trades. Okay, so basically you should have fixed amount. For example, for me it's $100. Okay, $100. And when I have lower probability trade, or I don't see enough confirmation, I lower this to 25. Just in case if I lose this, I will make this up with a regular trade. Okay, that's it. So I don't martingale, I don't increase amount like crazy. That way I don't blow my account. That's it. Okay, that's a very simple thing that it might change your whole profitability. Okay, so here you see that we have ABC to the upside, and now we have the second touch as well, but still we didn't create a high, and now we are at this point that the price is trying to break this and creating this pattern. So I can take this trade, and if you look at this area, it's basically the same situation. We draw the line, we broke this, it has a pattern, right? And then this trade is takeable. All right, this trade is takeable. Even though we don't have a higher high, it still doesn't have that confidence, but it's basically the same situation here. Let's see. Okay, didn't break that. Okay. All right, so I want to take it. No. All right, so we missed a chance right here. No problem. Let's just move on. All right, as you can see, we have this trend line, right? And the trend line we could draw it based on this ABC to the downside. We have another ABC inside of this bigger ABC, and if we break this ABC with this candle and close on this trend line, which has been drawn based on the ABC, that's going to be a very nice opportunity to take. Oh my god, it broke that shit, bro. But I will still take this trade. No, I don't like this break though. Oh, it can't just keep going up. God. No problem, guys. Worst case scenario, we're gonna lose this trade. But you know, the reason behind this is because of this ABC. And luckily it doesn't have any gap down. But it broke that though. This is a strong candle. Okay? Yeah. Let's see what the trend is. The trend is also uptrend. It has been going up like this and still hasn't break to the downside, so bars are super strong here. Yes, we lost this trade. You know, when you hesitate, just don't take the trade. That's what exactly I did. I hesitated to take this trade, but still I took that. No problem. I will make that up. Very nice. All right. If I hadn't this rejection like this, that'd be awesome. But if we're gonna have a lot of rejection, I would still go with the buyers. Yes, we have a lot of rejection. I will still go with the buyers. Oh, we have this gap up, but no problem. If it comes down, I will add 2 more. Oh my god, look at my entries. Jesus Christ. Look at my entries. They're terrible entries. You know, it's not really healthy to add more since I'm pretty much sure about this trade. I wanted to add more on this, at least to secure that, but you know, it's not healthy to add here more. Yeah, so I'm not adding anymore, but it was very nice to add down here. And the reason why you have seen that strong seller's entry, because that's exactly because of this gap up here. And as you can see, this is the ABC to the downside, strong supply, right? And then this gap up triggers even more sellers, so you see that strong seller's entry. Okay, and this is the chart that we taken this trade on, and then it broke to the downside. Oh, this trade was takeable as well. Yeah, like imagine this candle was closing here. That'd be awesome, bro. You know why? Because you would have this round number lined up with this very respected trend line every time. You see that? And this would be takeable, but for me personally, I wouldn't take this for now because it didn't really fill this gap. But yeah, that's it for today, everybody. If you enjoyed, drop a like for me and let me know in the comments what you think. And thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for your crazy support. I really appreciate that. And peace out.